2023 Dodge Challenger. This coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.